Hi everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. Peekaboo, here I am. So I made a chicken salad, not chicken salad, an egg salad the other day, and I was like, have ingredients that I need to use up, and I was like, I wonder if this would work, if that would work. So I'm gonna bring this down. Whoops. It is gonna keep on going a little bit, and I can see back. So here is my egg salad. So what I have in there, of course, is eggs. I use 3 eggs. There's olives, there's pickles, there's celery in there. But I'm going to show y'all a secret ingredient. That's just from the celery. An apple. So I cut up like 1/4 of an apple, and I wanted to know how that worked out in my egg salad. Would it work? Could it work? And how it would taste. So we got some egg salad with an apple piece right there. Oh my goodness, it is so good. You'd be surprised. It adds flavor. It changes things up just a little bit. And of course I seasoned it with salt. I didn't put no pepper in there. But onion powder and garlic powder. And it still tastes fantastic. And I was like, so I got a piece of apple. I got a piece of apple. Let me get this. So, some egg salad. Some egg. Come on, stay on there. I might have to get a spoon. There we go. So I have the egg, I have an olive, the apple, and a piece of celery. You think it's weird tasting, but it tastes actually, they come together really good. And so then I'll do, I'm gonna get this pickle. So now I have the pickle, egg salad, and the apple on there. You see it? Definitely a unique flavor, but it's so different and it changes it up so much. And I really like it. I'm just like, I want to see. I gotta use these apples up. And let's just test it and see. So sometimes you have to test things out to see if it will work, if it don't work. And then, if it doesn't work, it's nothing lost. We just found something that didn't work. But it's nice when you find something that does work. So this works really well. I'm going to have it for my lunch. And I might add some chicken to it, because we had chicken left over from last night. So thank y'all for watching. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Hello, addition to the video. So I went ahead and I have my chicken. Now I cooked this last night. So my chicken is seasoned with onion powder, garlic powder, salt, cayenne pepper, and turmeric, cumin, and something else. Anyway, so here's the chicken. The chicken is hot because of the cayenne pepper. So we're going to see how this all tastes together. I'm trying to break this chicken up a little bit more, so I don't have such a big hunk of chicken. There we go. Alright. So here we go. We got chicken, egg, apple, and celery. Okay. That is a new way of eating things. That's really good. And it helps cut down the spiciness of the chicken. So there we go. play with your food. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on our treasure home.